Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this quick video, I'll show you how to take partial profit in TradingView. It's also called closing partials. So let's get started. First, you want to go down to the trading panel at the bottom of your screen where you'll see all your open positions. So this is it right here. All you need to do just click this and drag this all the way up. As you can see, this is my open positions. Then what you need to do is you want to adjust it. You want to adjust the trade. All you have to do is just click this X button. Click this close. Now, instead of closing your entire position, you'll see an option for partial close. Click this and simply type in the amount of or percentage of your position you want to close. For example, I want 1. There we go. And once you've set the number, just hit partially close. And just like that, part of your profit is secured while the rest of your trade stays active. This is a great way to lock in gains while still giving your trade room to run. And if you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more trading tips, and I'll see you in the next one.